Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to extract optical constants from like old books where you cannot directly copy and paste the numbers from a table on Excel. So I will go to page number 304, and here we have the complex refractive index of iridium. N and K value. By the way, this book is called the Handbook of Optical Constants from Palik, and it's a very well-known book from where a lot of studies use the optical constants. Okay, back to page number 304. So here we have the optical constants for different wavelengths. It is in micrometers, so maybe we'll start from here. So this is around 206 nanometers. So what we have to do is we will, if we just copy it directly and try to paste it on Excel, it's not going to work. Because you'll see that you have to do a lot of filtering of the data. For example, here. So here you see there is one value here that is interpreted as I, and some of these values are also arranged in a wrong way. So how to do it? And also another problem is that maybe in this case it's still working a bit better, but sometimes you just cannot copy and paste. For example, if I go to page number 342, so this data, for example, for platinum, with the references, see here it's a problematic situation. And if I go to, so the text import wizard also does not work that well. So so here I'm going to show you how to extract data. In this case it's very easy. I'm not doing anything myself. Actually, I'm just using an image processing web app. So what we have to do, we just take a snapshot. So I will go back to 304, that is iridium, because I will probably need this data. Okay, I take a snapshot. I enlarge the table a bit so that the numbers are a bit larger. It will be easier for the image processor to process and correctly make out the numbers. So I take a snapshot from here all the way to here. Okay, and let's call it iridium 1. I save it as a JPG desktop. Okay, and also the data from 590 nanometer all the way to maybe up to 1700, but actually it's not that useful, but I think it's anyway, it's good to include everything. So I will take one more snapshot. Wait, let me enlarge it as much as I can. And then All right, so this is the second set of data. I will save it just like before, a JPG. Iridium 1, so Iridium 2. Okay, so I have taken the pictures, and then on Google I just randomly searched under these keywords. So online whole number table image conversion. So I have many options, as it seems. I just took these two, and this one seems to be good enough. So it's called extracttable.com. So I just need to upload the first image. As you can see, it was doing the scanning, but daily limit reached, so I'm sorry I cannot use it anymore. So apparently I have to pay now to use it more. So maybe I will use this one. I have not used it. Upload image. So Iridium 1, convert to CSV. Okay, it's not working either. What about table reader? Medium 1. You currently have 5 free credits. Okay, I use it. Okay, at least for the first image I could do the processing without having to pay anything. So yeah, if you have to do a lot of these conversions, then of course it makes sense to pay and take the full service of these web apps. But in my case, just for the sake of this video, of course it makes no sense. Okay, so that is from 0.206 micrometer all the way up to 4.38. But here you see it's also sometimes it's also not perfect, but if there are just a few errors here and there, then those can be also corrected manually. Alright, so the next one, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it again, but let's see. Okay, what if I open it in the incognito and do it? I don't know, I've never tried it. Choose a file. Now I will go for Iridium 2. Oops, I think I uploaded it twice. Next. It seems to be working. Okay, apparently they already know that I have used it, maybe from the physical address or from the IP, so it's not possible with this one. Okay, then I will try another one. Image to Excel. I hope this one allows me to do convert. Okay. So I also have the second one. So we'll combine these two. I think there is a bit of difference, but I think this we can take care of. But wait, it does not seem okay here. I don't think this is a very nice image conversion web app. So form to Excel. Yeah, I'm actually trying all of these and we'll see. It's kind of like a test. Okay. Get started. Okay, full Excel ready, download Excel file. Okay, I think this seemed to have worked, but we still need to examine the values a bit more. But we need these two columns, so this is what is of our interest. So copy. I'm not sure if the data format is still correct, but we'll see. Okay, maybe first I will paste it here. So apparently they are not, I don't know, can we actually plot it? Maybe not. Okay, I think we need to do something else. Okay, I will, if I paste it on Notepad, And now copy it back. Oops, that's not the right one. Here, import wizard. No. Okay, tab. All right, it seems to be working now. When we plot it together, I think then it will be clear. Okay, so by using two different image processing web apps, it was probably possible to do the conversion of text to numbers. These two we don't need. So maybe it's better to do one check of all the numbers just to have a quick overview. I think it's fine. If I look at the data, it also goes all the way up to 8.266, 1545. Here I have it as well. Okay, so it's also important to convert this to, oh, I think it has changed the format. So it's also important to convert this to nanometers. All right. Number and okay, maybe I'll try plotting them. Okay, it seems to be a continuous data, so it should be fine, and this one as well. Okay, so to do them, to use them in COMSOL in the electromagnetic model, so you just need to make .txt files. So how we do it, I think I have already shown it more than once in my old videos, how to do the electromagnetic simulations of nanoparticles and periodic arrays of nanoparticles. So you can check out these videos, but I will just still get the data ready to be used in my models in the future. So I just need a notepad. I'm not sure. Okay, no, maybe I will just copy paste one of these. So okay, so this one. That was Iridium, and this will be K Iridium. Okay, so N Iridium. First I delete the old data, and this is N Iridium. So I will paste it here. That's it. Then this txt file can be directly imported to COMSOL for piecewise interpolation, so that COMSOL can just use it for any wavelength, not just the ones that are given in the table. So okay, So there we have the optical constants of Iridium, extracted from the handbook of optical constants from Palik. Although the data was a bit old, we converted it by using multiple web apps, because the free trial is limited. So as you have seen, you can, if you are converting data in bulk, then maybe it is useful to pay and have access to one of these apps. First you need to try which one is really good, and otherwise if you just have to convert maybe just 2 tables or just a few, then you can also do it for free by using different web apps. So thanks for watching. If you have any comment, do write below my video. Thanks guys.